And we'll talk about the 3 types of posts we use to get clients here in just a second. But the easiest one you can do is just literally go and find a problem in these groups.
It's literally called.
Who knows someone who could use, give a couple examples.
Exactly. For one, you can go ahead. Those of you who are taking notes, which I highly recommend you do, write down the 2 words, ask post. Ask post. ASK. That is what this is called. Okay.
That's what the first type of post you can do.
Exactly. Who knows a busy mom who could benefit from never having to draw her eyebrows on again? What are you probably selling? More than likely microblading, right? Or some sort of brow service. But you're not saying, hey, come in for my brow service. You're asking, who knows a busy mom who could benefit from not having to draw her eyebrows on ever again, right? Yeah. You're going to have a load of busy moms going, yeah, me right here. Please, I don't like doing this. I'm missing half an eyebrow. My kid burned it off. Help, right?
Yep.
That's one type, okay?
Here's what I would recommend is to just figure out what question you can ask that will present yourself for people who have this problem or want to solve this particular issue, to get a comment started in the comments. All you should be doing with every single post you make, this includes Facebook and Instagram. You want to get people to comment below, right? So how do we do that? We ask questions, right? So the whole point of an ask post is to literally ask a question that would elicit someone to say, yes, I need to have that done, or I need help with that. I need to solve that problem, right? So for hair, it could be, who needs a touch up with their hair or something like that. Like, get creative with what problem it is you solve and what the most clients are coming into you for right now, and go and make a post, an ask post surrounded around that right now to get more people who have that same problem or that same issue, that same circumstance, to comment below and respond to them. What I would recommend also you could do is in the comments, you could kind of, play along with the question as well with like a funny GIF or like, a picture of like someone who got it done recently or something that would elicit and show, some personality of you engaging and starting the trend for interacting with the post via a comment, if that makes sense. So that's what we recommend for Facebook, Instagram, pretty much anywhere you're going to make a post. You try to get a conversation started. The easiest way to do that is what we call an ask post. Ask a question that's surrounded somewhere around a problem or solution that you can offer, right? You want to give some examples, Katie?
I've given a few, but literally, let's think of it in like a rubric, right? Kind of like a Mad Lib, if you will. Who knows describe the type of person, a busy mom, a busy dad, a working
Who's
professional,
your ideal client?
Whoever your ideal client is, right? If it's not a mom or a dad, a working woman, like whatever that might be, okay? Plug that in. Who could benefit from, and then insert the problem that you solve. So a fresh new hairstyle, right? Never having to draw their brows on again. Wake up ready lashes, clear, vibrant skin, right? Plump, youthful skin, whatever that might be, whatever service you do, think about what the cosmetic benefits of that are, right? Maybe more confidence, maybe, they do have brighter skin. Maybe they won't have to wear makeup as much anymore, okay? What are the other benefits of what your service provides? And then plug that in there, just like a Mad Lib, okay? So who knows describe your target person who can benefit from or looking for either or. We
same thing.
But who can benefit for or who's looking for X, okay? Think about that. Write it down in your notes right now, okay? Go post it. Go post it right now. Go post it.
Why don't you guys in the comments who are watching this right now, why don't you type one out to us and we'll let you know if it's a good or what we'd recommend.
Pop it in.
That's the best way to do it. Take action right now. If you want to make some money, get some more clients, which I assume anyone who's watching this video right now wants to make some more money, wants to grow their business, wants to stop flatlining, doing the same numbers every single month, barely being able to pay the bills. Raise your hand if that's you. No shame. Let's get to work on that. Let's get some more clients. Let's make some posts. Let's get some attention. Let's get some money in the bank. So that's the first type of post. We're going to break through 3 right here, right now. What we recommend is ask post, let's get connected posts, and model call post are the top 3 types of posts we recommend on social media to get clients now. Okay. So with that being said, we did just cover ask post because it's something we want everyone here to go and try to take action on. You could go and post this on your personal profile on either Facebook or Instagram. And you can also post this in a local Facebook group. And I recommend everyone here going out and testing that immediately tonight. That's your homework if you want to go get some clients. And we recommend also you go and share your a screenshot of the post in the group showing that you took action on it. With that being said, let's talk about post type number 2, which I'll type in the chat, which is a let's get connected post.
Exactly.
What's that,
so
Katie?
A let's get connected post is going to blow your mind. Okay. All you do is you post in that group, whether it be your group, your profile, etc. let's get connected. Where are you located in the area and what do you do for work? That's it. All you're trying to do is get people raise their hand going, I live here, and answering your question, this is what I do. Or let's get connected. Where are you located and what's your favorite way to treat yourself? Okay, those types of questions. It's so simple, right? Let's get connected. Everyone loves to connect. Everyone does. They wouldn't be in that group if they didn't want to connect with other local people. Okay, that's it. That's all you ask. Let's get connected. Where are you located and what do you do for work? Let's get connected. Where are you located? What's your favorite way to treat yourself or pamper yourself?
Just ask a question to get people connected. Okay. The way you get clients is to connect people with people. Okay. That's how we do business.
Yes.
We don't do business any other way. If you want to make more money, you want to get a client, you have to talk to a person and book an appointment with that person.
Exactly.
Right? So in order to get connected with that person, what we do is make a let's get connected post and make a question-based or statement-based post that allows us to get people responding and commenting on our post so we can get some engagement.
Exactly.
Let's get connected, blah, 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 whatever Katie just said. Right?
Depending on the group, okay, this type of post can get you anywhere between 50 and over 400 comments. It literally, I've seen these posts get more than
connected.
400 comments because people love connecting. And half the time, the people who started these communities, the admins of the group, they have no clue how to drum up actual engagement. Sometimes the admin will even be thanking you for creating such an engaged post in the group, okay? Then what you do is you book freaking clients off of it. Reach out to the people, introduce yourself, let them know what you do in return, right? Just get connected with them. It will make or break you. It is awesome, and it's the best way to get in front of your people. Additionally, science has proven that it takes between 7 and 12 touches from a local business for someone to choose to do business with them. By touches, that means them seeing your face, your name, your business name, okay? So just the act of making the post, your name being out there in front of all those people can be anywhere between 1,000 to 20,000 people, depending on your area, right? That's one of those touches. That's someone seeing your name, creeping on your profile, finding out what it is that you do. Creeping further, seeing your business page, your website, etc. Just the act of getting yourself out there has people actually clicking on you, going to see who you are, where you are in the area. They want to know why you're asking the question, right? They start digging, it turns into one of those touches, and it brings every single person who saw that post, which can be hundreds or thousands, closer to doing business with you.
Yep. And that's all we're trying to do is get people connected with us so then we can start a conversation with them and book an appointment. There's 2 things you need to focus on if you want to make more money and book more appointments. And this led us to millions of dollars generated from us personally. And to prove it, here's our $1 million award. We've got 3 of these from starting conversations and booking appointments, literally doing the same exact things we're sharing with you. You got to be consistent and you've got to actually make the post. You got to actually start the conversation. You got to actually book the appointment. You got to do it. So with that being said, let's get connected posts, or really you can make them your own. How can you get people in your community connected and talking and commenting and engaging? And when you do this, not only are you going to have a lot of people commenting and engaging on your post, like Katie said, you're also going to be showing yourself in these Facebook group and communities and wherever else you're posting this as well. It could be on your personal profile too. Your face is going to show up more often the more often you make these posts.
Exactly. We actually had someone, her name was Diane, who made one of these posts. It was like her first time doing anything with us. She made one of these posts and she had updated her profile to really show what she does, right? It had her website link, her booking link. It had a really nice cover photo that showed what she did. And within like 10 minutes of making the post, she had someone go and just book online with her who saw the post. And they reached out to her, they're like, hey, I saw your post in XYZ group. I can't wait to come in tomorrow. She didn't even have to talk to the person. Just this simple act of having her face and her name out there and having a profile that shared the important information about her business in a strategic way was able to book her a new client within 10 minutes with literally 0 effort, okay? Now, don't set that as a precedent because it doesn't happen all the time, right? Not all the time someone's gonna creep and just stumble across and book the appointment. Sometimes you have to put in the work, right? But that is just one of the many possibilities that can happen just by simply making a very simple post that gets your face and your name out there in front of the community.
With that being said, if you want some copy and paste post that you can literally have access to after this training, go ahead and type in #content in the comments below, literally just #content. We will literally give you a handful of posts that you can go and make literally tonight if you wanted to. And we'll give you also training on how to actually do it.
I don't think we're excited enough. Literally,
yeah, you guys are very quiet tonight.
Content.
Type in hashtag content below. And also, I have barely heard anyone tonight let us know who they are, what they do, where they're from, or ask many questions. So make sure you guys are asking questions so we can help you grow your business. Don't be a fly on the wall during these trainings, or I promise you, you're probably not going to take action. You're probably not going to get that engaged. You're probably not going to do anything. So with that being said, we take the time out of our busy schedule. We're already making money on our end, and our clients are already making money too. We do this for free to help you guys be able to grow your business and get more clients. So ask questions, get engaged. Make sure you're typing in the hashtags we share as well, so we can get you paired up with some resources to help you grow. And let's keep moving forward. The third type of content, which Janelle asked, is model calls. Okay. So let me explain the concept of model calls, because there's a big misconception on what a model call actually is. And a lot of people think that if you do anything revolved around being a model, that it has to be free. So what if I told you that our clients and people we work with who run, $10,000 a month, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month or more businesses run model calls consistently, which means they're asking a client to be a model for a particular service, and they're getting them to pay full price for the appointment, sometimes more than they used to charge prior to working through our process. If you're interested in hearing about that, let me know in the comments. But with that being said, the model call strategy that we use basically just says, hey, if you know someone looking for XYZ, or you post a picture of whatever it is that you're doing, and you ask if someone is interested in being a model for a particular problem being solved or particular service, you get a conversation started, you identify what they're actually looking for help with, and then you say, hey, let's have a consultation, or let's hop on a call where we can discuss this in detail and we can figure out the best plan of action for you. And what we do is we lead that to a quick call to figure out exactly what they need or what they're looking for. And then from there, we book a consultation, which is an in-person appointment where we actually diagnose and prescribe a solution then and there, which is at full price. And for models, what we usually do is we let them know the normal price of this appointment is this. However, for what you're getting this, and this. You're going to get it for this price. And we'll actually get them in at either a full price or a very, very, very slightly discount, because we're presenting our offer as value, not as just like, hey, free, which is a lot of the time all we can ever rely on, because we don't know how to market or sell our shit.
Hey there, Katie here, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Quick announcement, we just released our brand new mentorship program to help salon and spa owners reach that 10K, 25K, 50K, and even 100K per month point. So if you need help filling your chairs, getting new clients consistently, raising your prices, and want us to hand you a proven process that shows exactly what to do to get to that next level in your business, then click the link below or around this video, fill out the short application to see if you qualify, and our team will be reaching out to you for those next steps. Talk to you soon.